You just now you go toilet. Now you go toilet again. You wait lah. I'll take commode.
Okay.
Why you press bell?
I calling you, ma. I don't know who you're talking to.
You didn't see me, I'm here, what? You
But
didn't
you
see
never
me?
make eye contact. I don't know who you're talking to.
Okay,
My
wait.
bad,
I want to go to toilet.
Morning, Mr. Brown. How are you? How may I help you?
I want to go to toilet.
Okay, excuse for a while. I'll off your bell. Remember just now I brought you to the toilet? You forgotten?
Yeah, I forgot it.
Good. Then, never mind. You just take a rest. After 2 hours, I'll bring you back to the toilet. Okay?
Okay,
You
sure.
just have your rest?
Okay,
Okay. See you.
see you guys.
Okay, bye.
Is here? Going to be okay. Because I'm going to back soon.
Can close the curtain.
Never mind, you know what? Can. Sorry. So busy, no? Okay, you know how to do it now?
I don't know. I haven't tried
Once only?
one.
I think Ken already will assess you. You do.
Stop nurse, Annalyn.
Oh, yeah?
Pass report now.
Okay, you do.
Can you wait outside?
Got report. Okay,
I'm not ready
I
to
do.
do it. The curtain never closed also.
Good afternoon, Miss Xavier. I'm Dr. Celine. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, can you give me your IC number?
GH358588.
Okay, your IMC is due now, so you know how to do your IMC?
This is the fourth time.
Okay, you can do yourself, and I'll be here to assess you, so that we will know if you're already competent or not.
Okay.
Dr. Celine,
Can we pass report now?
oh, Ellen Jennifer, I'll be coming by 10 minutes.
Okay.
Bed 7, Miss Xavier, case of spinal cord compression, parameters TDS, hypogonal TDL. She's on IMC 4 hourly.
So the patient competent.
Patient is competent.
So when the last time that
Patient beyond my time. The skin is intact. New complaint of pain, afebrile, and
We'll start with that question, So can you remember what CEP stands for?